Hi, I am Joy. Would you like to know how I made this silky German buttercream for your cupcake and for your cake frosting? Just keep watching. So let's get started. Here I have 500 ml of milk. I'll be adding 3 separated egg yolks. I will reserve the egg whites. I will not be using it, so don't add the egg whites, okay? I will proceed by adding 25 grams of sugar, half teaspoon of salt. Give it a quick stir. After mixing it very well, I'm going to transfer half of the mixture into the saucepan. Then I'll go ahead and add 30 grams of flour, followed by 25 grams of cornstarch. Give them a quick stir. Now I will add the rest of the liquid. Stir them very well until they are well incorporated. I will go ahead and turn on the heat to medium and keep stirring them to avoid getting lumps. You will notice that the liquid is now thickened. Keep stirring until it gets to boiling point. At this point, it is boiling. I have to remove it from the heat. With my sieve, I'm going to separate the lumps if there is any. This process is very important. If you're new here but you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to Chummy Creative Kitchen, where we show you more about baking, cooking, healthy recipes, cake decorations, and very easy and simple way of making them. After that, I'll cover it with plastic wrap to avoid dryness, like so. Then cover it with the top. Keep it aside to cool. Here I'll be adding 400 grams of softened butter to my mixing bowl. I'll be using my stand mixer. So I will turn on the high speed in order to get the creamy consistency. I will stop now and scrape down the bowl. I'll be adding 50 grams of icing or powdered sugar. Then continue mixing. The mixing might take about 2 minutes. The cream is now looking so silky and soft. Now I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I will continue mixing until they are well distributed. In here we have our pastry cream, cool and thickened. When you see it this way, don't worry. All we have to do is to loosen. But I'm going to make use of my hand mixer to loosen the cream. As you can see, it is now in creamy form. Take a look at this buttercream, very silky and fluffy. I have to tell you one secret about making buttercream. If you want your buttercream to look like this, then your butter should be in room temperature, okay? I'll add the pastry cream to the buttercream. and mix them together until they are well incorporated. Once we are done, take a look at this. This is the texture we are looking for. Yeah, with this German buttercream, you can frost your cake. You can as well frost your cupcake. It is very yummy and you can be able to control the amount of sugar you are adding to it. It's not too sugary. Take a look at this. Is it not looking so yummy and silky? Our German buttercream is ready for frosting your cake and your cupcakes. I hope you enjoyed this video and it is helpful. If so, after watching, please don't forget to click on the like button, subscribe to Chummy Creative Kitchen, and turn on your notification bell. Till I meet you next time, thank you for watching. Keep eating healthy and stay safe.